Let's move on to a couple exclusions on the PAP. According to Exclusion A.2, there is no liability coverage for any insured for property damage to property owned or being transported by that insured. Exclusion A.3 states that the PAP will not provide liability coverage for any insured for property damage to property rented to, used by, or in the care, custody, or control of that insured. This exclusion does not apply to property damage to a residence or private garage.
Liability coverage is excluded for vehicles with fewer than 4 wheels, or those that are owned but not listed. Coverage is also excluded for vehicles while racing. And, finally, for any vehicles which are flying cars. While it may sound funny, it's a new exclusion in the 2018 ISO PAP. Exclusion B.1 takes away liability coverage for the ownership, maintenance, or use of any vehicle that has fewer than 4 wheels, or that is designed mainly for use off of public roads. Think motorcycles and golf carts, for example. Exceptions are made for such vehicles while they are used by an insured in a medical emergency. They are also made for any trailer and any non-owned golf cart.